Hey, have you ever considered finishing your basement? If you're like most homeowners in Northeast Ohio, there's a good chance you have. Hi, my name is Mario, and I'm with Fortitude Drywall and Paint, and today I'm here to share with you 5 reasons to revisit the idea of finishing your basement. So, the first reason, virtual meetings. There's been a huge uptick in people meeting online, whether it's for career, for business, for school. It's going up every year now, and it's a trend that I don't think will ever end. Having that separate space where you can meet, not have interruptions, that's huge. Reason number 2, playrooms. If you have kids, if you have grandkids, that underutilized space downstairs is key, and it's awesome to have for toys, just for the kids to have all that area, especially in the wintertime, to play, have activities going on while the adults are upstairs. It's a beautiful thing. Reason number 3, homeschool area. So if you homeschool your kids or your kids do virtual learning, they're online taking their classes, it's nice to have a separate area they can go to, log on the computer, or even if they're not doing it online, they'll have a little more peace and quiet from maybe the other kids or the distractions from upstairs, keep all their books together, keeps the house a little more organized as well. That's a big thing we've seen as well, the space being used for. And number 4, visitors. So if you have older children, kids coming home from college for a few weeks, in-laws from out of state might be staying for a week, who knows, maybe longer. It's really nice to have a room that's already finished, done. Hey, people are coming over this week, the kids are back in town, great. The room's already all set for them. All they have to do is come on over, go downstairs, closet space, it's already furnished. It's a really nice asset to have, and it adds a ton of value to your home as well. And the 5th reason is for entertaining. So a lot of people are building out the basement as a space where they can, host events, whether it might be just for holidays or if their line of work involves people, clients coming over and they're entertaining. It's nice to have that space, if you set up a bar, maybe a coffee bar, it's a cool thing to have. So those are my reasons. We've seen a huge increase in people finishing their unfinished basements. I think the trend's always going to keep going up, especially as more and more people are working from home. A lot of requests to build offices downstairs. The trend's going to continue to increase. Those are my 5 reasons. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless.